Hello. So once you finish the rank checks for all the keywords that you need, you have to compile your data into one file so that you'll just use one file as reference for VLOOKUP later on. So I completed the data for AC inbound. So I have here um, four columns. First is the domain, next is the keyword, and then the google.com.au position. These are the rankings. And last is the google.com.au URL. So we need to input those data in the keyword distribution report. You can find the keyword distribution reports in Google Drive. So here, European Media, and then click on the clients folder and find the appropriate client folder that you need. So for example, EC inbound. Here. And then click on reports and find the latest keyword distribution report for that client. So in this case, latest keyword distribution report is last June 2014. So let's open that. So here's the June report. First, we need to save as. Save a new file on your desktop first and just upload the final file later on. File name should be the client name, isinbound.com.au dash keyword distribution report, and then the month. So month right now is July. So we just have to rename the file. And then also need to change this one to July to reflect the latest rank data. So let's start. Last columns here in the keyword distribution report is July 2014. Rank date is July 1. So to add the latest rank data, let's just copy the last three columns, yung rank, change, and reference. And then paste them in the report. Let's hide the URL column. Always hide yung URL column for the previous rank data. And then we have the template na set up for the latest rank data that we will be adding here. So let's just delete the all data here. And then also for the URL column. Then let's edit the rank date. So the rank date, you did the rank checking. So today is 7/31. If you notice, I didn't exactly modify the numbers under change column. That's because we have a formula there. The formula dito is simply the previous month rank data minus the latest month rank data. So to ensure that all of the keywords that we will be adding, all of the keyword rankings that we will be adding in the report have the correct change data, just drag the formula from above. So drag down. And you'll notice na there will be some values na ganyan dito. But we'll edit that later na lang once we completed finishing the rank data here. So instead na adding every rank data for every keyword, what you can do is to use the VLOOKUP option in Excel. So under formulas, click on the lookup and reference, and then VLOOKUP. So for the first box, it's the lookup value. You should click here the keyword that you will be looking for. So a virtual phone number. And then for the next box, in table array, click on the your rank file data and select the last three columns. So the keyword column, google.com.au position column, and google.com.au URL column. After that, move on to the next box, and for the column index number, you should input 2. That's because referring to the rank data sheet that we have for the Easy Inbound, the ranking for that keyword is found in column 2, in the second column, right? And then for the range lookup box, just put here false. That simply means that Excel will need to find the exact match for the keyword that you're looking for, and not the closest match related keywords to the data. And then click on OK. And then you see, meron na siyang rank data dito. Let's double check first. So 31 for 31 yung rank for virtual phone number. Checking the rank data sheet that we have, yes, it's 31 for the virtual phone number keyword. So using that formula, we can drag down that VLOOKUP. It will automatically update the formula for every keyword. And then, since all of these rankings have formula behind, what you should do is to highlight them and then click on Ctrl C or copy, and then Ctrl V or paste. Then click on the paste options. You should select the values only so that the data will remain without the formulas. Because if you have the formula in Excel and you open it in another computer, chances are mabago yung formula o yung data because hindi na mahanap ng Excel yung reference file for the VLOOKUP. And then for the URL column, it's the same process. So let's click on the first cell under URL, and then in the Excel menu, let's choose formulas and then lookup and reference, VLOOKUP. For the first box, lookup value, just click on the first keyword here in the list. And then for the table array, click on the open rank data sheet. So highlight again the last three columns. Keyword, google.com.au position, and google.com.au URL. So this time, we will be needing the last column, which is the URL. Then column index number is 3, since yung URL column is the last one. Yung highlight natin before. And range lookup is also false to ensure that only the exact match of the keyword will be used. So click on OK. Then let's drag down and follow the same process. Just click on Control C or copy, and then Control V or paste. Click on the value, the paste options, and click on the values only, so that we can also remove the VLOOKUP formulas here. So before you can finish adding the data, you have to edit the data under change and URL columns. So you can see yung mga value and then yung mga zero. So let's just edit manually this one. For this one, for the change column, you'll see highlights, diba? Green, red, and some have no highlights. And we also have drop and new. So, naka-conditional formatting yung mga bawat entry for the change column. You don't need to edit na, basta as long as you copy yung previous rank data para makopy rin yung conditional formats. So, red simply means na nag-decrease yung rank or nag-drop yung rank. Like, for example, it's in top 200 before, wala na siyang rankings right now. And then, for the green naman na highlight, it simply means na number 1, nag-increase yung rankings. So, number 2, it's a new ranking or a new ranking keyword. So, it has no rank before and ranking na siya in top 200 now. And then for the data without the highlights, yung 0, that simply means no change for the ranking. So same rankings plus rank check, and now. So let's edit. For this one, you can see na low rank siya before and long rank pa rin siya right now. So let's just delete. Also, the same here. For this one, you can see that it's just a dash before, and right now it's in rank 52 na. So, you should input here new. The same for this one. Let's put new. And for these two keywords, we can just delete because no rankings pa rin siya. And then if you have keyword na drop from rankings, just put drop like that, and it will automatically highlight red. So that's the first part of the rank data in the keyword distribution report. Also, in the keyword distribution report, we will need the activity distribution sheet. We will usually find that under material media and then clients. Look for the client folder. So easy inbound, and then campaign. And then look for the latest activity distribution. This activity distribution sheet is a reference for the points allocated for the keywords for that client. So, for example, these point allocations are the points allocated for each keyword per month